Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the trigger of your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. This process is straightforward but requires attention to detail. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need 1. A flathead screwdriver. 2. A Phillips screwdriver. 3. A soft cloth for cleaning. 4. A pair of tweezers, optional. Before you begin, ensure your vacuum is unplugged and the battery is removed for safety. Start by removing the dust canister from the vacuum. Press the release button, and it should detach easily. Set it aside. Next, locate the 2 screws that hold the trigger mechanism in place. These are usually found on the side of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew them and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find it difficult, a flathead screwdriver can help pry the cover slightly to access the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the trigger mechanism out. Take this opportunity to clean the internal area where the trigger sits. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Ensure it fits snugly into the housing. If you're not equipped with the necessary tools for this step, keep in mind we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. Once the new trigger is in place, reinsert the screws and tighten them carefully. Be cautious not to over-tighten as this may damage the plastic housing. If you prefer to skip this step, we offer a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. After securing the trigger, reattach the dust canister. Listen for a click to confirm it's locked in place. Finally, reinsert the battery and turn on your Dyson V10 to test the new trigger. It should operate smoothly, providing the same power as before. If you encounter any issues or feel uncertain about the process, remember, no calls, no travel, just let us handle it for you. We're here to help you keep your vacuum running like new. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.